Hello guys, good morning or good afternoon for everyone. I hope you are well, and so my name is Alexandre. I'm from Brazil and I have been working with technology for 8 years, and I think I have been working with mobile development for 6 or 7 years. I am working with React Native, TypeScript, and other technology like Redux Saga, RTK, Query, and other things. So today I would like to share some knowledge about ChatGPT and how we can apply ChatGPT in our project, or how we can use ChatGPT in a real project, for example with ASPO. And okay, so this is my Instagram, this is my LinkedIn, and this is my YouTube channel. Please follow me my YouTube channel, guys. And I think when we share something, when we can teach something for everyone, I think and I believe when we share and teach someone, we can learn more. Just share the knowledge, and we can learn more when we are able to teach something to someone. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. If you like, for example, spoke English, personal development, GK, general knowledge, technology, inspiration, motivation, please follow me on my YouTube channel, and let's jump to the code. Okay, today I have this timeline. Okay, this is my timeline, and I have some questions that can help me in my objective, in my goal. And before let me explain more about ChatGPT and what I understood. For example, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence, or AI. Okay, is a artificial intelligence created by OpenAI company. Okay, and the ChatGPT can help us with a lot of things. We can apply ChatGPT in a real world, real life, and this chatbot, this AI can help us in our job every day. Well, ChatGPT is a power AI language model that can understand and respond to text inputs like a human. What does that mean? Okay, ChatGPT is a AI can help us, but how we can use ChatGPT and why? In my case, I have this timeline, and my goal is just create a form authentication with email and password. And to build an example, I need to follow these questions. And okay, let's go. How we can use ChatGPT? ChatGPT has a command line, or prompt command line, and for that we can access this website. Just type in chat, okay, .openai.com. This is the URL. Okay, after of course we need to create an account. with your email or Google email, okay? And after we can use the ChatGPT to help us, okay? This is a prompt command, and you need to ask for something. For example, in my case, I have this goal: create a form authentication with email and password, okay? And I have one project. I created one project with Aspo. Let me show for you guys. This is my project. I have one project in Aspo, okay? Okay, CD, ChatGPT. This is my project. I need to open, okay, the code, and this is the structure. And just now I have a simple text with view, and let me test this code now. Give me 1 second. Okay, in this case I'm gonna run this project on iOS emulator, okay, because I prefer to use with iOS, and for that reason, okay, we have a question: does to update my Aspo application? Yes. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, this is my iPhone 14, and okay, I have this example here. Okay, open up. This is my emulator. If I change something, for example, this is my name. Okay, this is my name. Okay, now I need to start using ChatGPT with, for example, a question. How ChatGPT can help us, in my case, with development in React Native, because my goal is to create a form. My goal is to create a form with email and password, and for that I need just the question to ChatGPT. Okay, this is my first question. Okay, how to create a form with email and password in React Native. Remember, guys, you need the knowledge about the technology you are working in your environment or in your company. For example, if you are using .NET Core, C#, you need the minimal knowledge of C#, or for example .NET Core, in my case JavaScript, React Native, because if you have for example a wrong answer, or if ChatGPT provide for us the wrong answer, the wrong thing, you need to be able verify, check the code and fix. Okay, so now, for example, we have, in this case, we have my question to create a form with email and password in React Native. Okay, ChatGPT is providing me, okay, the import, okay, from React Native. We need the code, create a functional component that will contain the form, and we have a simple description, and we need to understand about the code before to copy and paste. I think and I believe it's not good if you just copy and paste the code. We need to understand what we are doing, what you do, for example. In this case, we have just the import React and React Native, okay, like this, okay. Two-step, create a functional component that will contain the form. Okay, in this case, let me just copy, okay, because I understood the code, okay, and in this case, for example, ChatGPT provide me the functional component, login screen, okay, and necessary imports with view, text input and button. Okay, let me test if this code will work, or I don't know if it's okay. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna save the code and render on iOS. Okay, it worked because I have the login button, I have the email and password here, but we need the minimal knowledge of the technology that we are using. In this case, let me verify if it makes sense or doesn't make sense. For example, login screen, email and password makes sense. We have a use state. Okay, we have a handle, view. Okay, we have a login form, but how, for example, can I centralize the content in the middle of the screen, or how we can apply, for example, some styles? Okay, my next question is, can you center the components? This is my goal now. Just centralize the content here, and for that let me type the code here. Okay, ChatGPT, can you center the components? In this case, okay, the answer is yes, you can center the components in the form by adding some styles. Okay, of course, and this is the best answer. We need apply some styles here, okay, and let me check if ChatGPT will provide me the best pattern. Login screen, okay, the same code we have. In this case, I'm gonna copy the whole code, all the code, because it makes sense to replace the code here and analyze. Okay, in this case I have one container around my text inputs and button login. Okay, flex one and justify content and align items. It makes sense because my question is to center the components in the middle of my screen. Oh, it worked. Now my second step, it's okay, it worked. I have password and email centralized in the middle of my screen. Well, okay, now so far everything it's work, okay, and okay, let me check, sorry guys, let me check the next step. Okay, the next step will be about, for example, I have the component the input email and password, but how can I add a border? How can I add, for example, round border here? And for that, I need to ask a question for ChatGPT. Can you add border in my fields? Okay. Okay, ChatGPT is analyzing the question and generating the answer for me. Okay, I don't know, in this case I have my idea how I can round the component inputs and how what is the step I need to follow to do this task. Okay, generate an answer. Okay, yes, you can. This is the answer. You can add borders to the text input components in your form by adding some styles, like, let me check it yourself. Here's one example. Oh, ChatGPT provide me one example here. Okay, we have a style. Okay, we don't have a style, but okay, now let me copy just this style input. Okay, and next the ChatGPT provide me, I need to put this style here and here. This is the different. Okay, login. Okay, and so far that's it. In this example, for example, the description is, in this example we added a style sheet object with input style that sets the border width and border color properties to add. Okay, makes sense because we need the border width and the border color here and some other configurations, and we have the border radius. Let me check if worked. Oh my god. Now we have email and password and login button. Okay, and beautiful screen and worked. Everything done and worked. The next step, okay, it worked because ChatGPT provided me this solution, border radius 5. Okay, it worked. Can you round the border? Okay, and the next step, I need one validation in this screen, and how we can validate, for example, how we can validate email and password, and what is the step I need to follow in this case. Let me check with the ChatGPT. Okay, this is my question. Okay, my question, and let me type in this question on the prompt, ChatGPT prompt. Okay, prompt. Can you disable login button without email and password? This is a question, and let me check. Okay. Yes, you can disable the login button if either the email and password fields are empty. Okay, this is the best answer because we have two fields, email and password. Okay, and we need to validate if the email and password is empty or not, isn't empty. Okay, let me check the solution. Okay, ChatGPT is validation the email and password here, and okay, placeholder on change text, okay, button, okay. In this case, it makes sense the answer because we need to disable the button if we have, we don't have, or if the user, for example, not filled the email or password. We have a const, and this const will be false or true, like this. For example, disable or not disable in this case, okay. And let me check if this solution worked or not worked. In this case, oh, we have in mail, okay, this is my email test, okay, at gmail.com, and password, I'm not able to click. Okay, okay, in this case I will fill this password test. Oh my god, we have the enable button here. Yeah, okay, everything worked again, and we have a validation. And the next step, okay, the next question will be the next question should be about how I can validate an email, for example, because now I can type in an email and password. I don't know if it's an email, a valid email or not valid email. In this case, I would like ChatGPT help me with this question, this validation, okay? Okay, send a message, ChatGPT, can you help me with, can you validate an email? Okay, yes, you can validate an email address using regular expressions. Oh, you are right, because regular expressions is the right way, in my opinion. In JavaScript, we can do this validation. Let me analyze. Let me check the code. In this case, okay, we have a const function validate mail, okay, and we receive in mail regex.test this email, okay. We have email error, okay. The first thing that we need to do is create another state. This is my email error state. Okay, after we have two more functions here, okay, below this code. Okay, and after, okay, okay, below the email field, we just put this validation to show the message, for example. Okay, and in this case, we have security text entry, because of course this is a password. We have error text and error input. This is my style. Okay, error. Okay, in this case we have a TypeScript. Okay, this is a TypeScript error. JSX element class doesn't not support attributes because it does not have properties. Okay, in this case, for now, I think I'm gonna test the solution if it worked or not worked, because sorry, because we have one more thing. In this case, okay, we have onChange text. OnChange text. In this case, onChange text receive my email. The text or email. In this case, we have this is a TypeScript validation because the email implicit has an end type. In this case, we don't have a validation. For example, like this, or email like this. For example, email string. Okay, but anyway, in this case, for example, we are passing set email and validate this email with regex if this email, that is email valid. Okay, set empty, or otherwise set an error. Let me check if worked or not worked in this case. Okay. Okay, first I'm gonna type the wrong email. Okay, wrong email. Okay, this is my wrong email, invalid mail. And password. Okay, we have one error. Property text doesn't exist. Let me check. Okay, text input. Okay, text from React Native we don't have. There is an error now, and let me check if ChatGPT provide me the text or not. Okay. In this case, as you look at, we don't have the text too, and that is a problem. This is a bug. Let me check if ChatGPT can found the error or can discover something. Okay. Okay. Hey. Okay, there is a bug in the code. There is a bug, error in the code. Okay, can you fix? Let me check. Sure, I would like to help you debug. Can you please provide me with an error? In this case, it does not make sense because we have the code here, but let me try to help ChatGPT with this error. Okay. There is an error when use text. Okay, okay. In this case, look at this information, guys. For example, in this case, we don't have the text, okay? But my question is simple, and ChatGPT didn't understand me in this case because I need more information about the error. For example, sure, I would like help to help you to fix the bug. Can you please provide me with an error, more information? Please tell me. And okay, I provide more information about the error. In this case, there is an error when you use text, okay? And this is the answer because okay, I see the text component is not imported in the code I provided early to fix the error. You need to import text. This is the right answer. And okay, let me test this solution. Okay, the error is done. The error is done. Okay, we don't have more error, just TypeScript validation. Okay, TypeScript validation. And okay, in this case, let me check if worked or not worked. Okay, save my password. Okay, not. This is my valid mail and password. Oh, okay. Okay, I think it's not good because let me test the entire code here. Okay. Oh, okay. Work it in the first thing. I think. Let me to understand more about the code. When okay, in this case we have input style and email error, style error. Okay, please enter the valid mail because we are checking if there is a mail or invalid mail. In this case, we don't have nothing. Let me type something. Alexandre at gmail.com. Okay. Oh, when I have a valid mail, the error disappear. But if I have an invalid email, the error show me. Please enter a valid mail here. Okay, work it and let me type my password and okay, work it. We have more questions about for example with this type okay, ChatGPT for example I have an error like this. Okay, in this case, the error message parameter email implicit has and type means that the TypeScript compiler is not able to infer the type of the email. For example, in this case, the compiler don't know about the type of the email. For example, it will be a string, for example, a number, or I don't know, another type, for example. In this case, just a string worked. In this case, a string work it. It will be enough. Okay, and let me check the application. Okay, work it in this case. The next step, it will be, can you validate an email with state and show an error? In this case, okay, done, because we have email password and email with use state. Okay, and we can type the error. We can put the error here and set email error empty. Okay, the last thing, it will be, for example, there is an error parameter email implicit has type. Okay, in this case, ChatGPT helped me a lot, because this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, let me try to text. Okay, string, and in this case, okay, there is other error like this. Let me try if ChatGPT found the answer. Okay, in this case, we have okay, the same answer. Please, this is the code answer, and ChatGPT is explaining by adding a string after the text parameter. We are telling TypeScript that text should be of type. This is a type of string. Okay, this will help TypeScript to correctly infer the type of text. In this case, just we need to put string 2. And okay, I have the application login form and all steps done in this case. I just one more question about, okay, my goal, it's okay, worked everything, and ChatGPT helped me a lot. Okay, the final question will be, hey ChatGPT, can you help me to make a delicious barbecue for 3 people? Okay, why 3 people? Because of course in my family there are 3 people: my wife, my daughter, and me. Okay, and this is my funny question to test how ChatGPT can provide me the answer, or what kind of answer it will provide me. Okay, let me test again. Okay, this is the answer. Sure, I would like be happy to help you plan. Okay, because I need to plan my barbecue. Okay, playing a barbecue, a delicious barbecue for 3 people. Here are some ideas for your menu. This is my menu. Okay, we have a menu with chicken. I am seeing. Okay, veggie. Okay, I don't like corn on the. Okay, corn on the cob. Corn on the cob. It's not. It is not common in Brazil, and I think this is a American barbecue. I think sound like American barbecue. Let me try again. Hey ChatGPT, can you help me to make a delicious okay, Brazilian barbecue for 3 people? Because of course I am Brazilian, and I like the Brazilian barbecue, but I like the USA barbecue, American barbecue too. But in this case, I'm gonna test the answer from ChatGPT. Oh, in this case, okay, the first step is picanha. This is the amazing and the best. This is a kind of uh, food in Brazil, delicious food. Picanha is the best meat, and we have, for example, linguiça. We have other things like beer, but caipirinha. But in this case, ChatGPT don't provide me things like a beer, caipirinha, or something like that, because of course I think ChatGPT need to learn and to improve their vocabulary. But in this case, cheesecake or pão de queijo, it's good, but not in barbecue. Linguiça, it's okay. Picanha, because we need meat, okay. And beans, I think tomatoes, onions, peppers, okay, something like that. I think, guys, my goal it's done and everything worked, okay. So far, thank you, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. And if you would like to learn more about GK, general knowledge, please follow me in my social network, follow me in my YouTube channel, and have a good day. Bye.